pack tracts. Guess what?
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm showing my whole house, but welcome to another vlog, guys. How's everybody doing? Not like you guys can answer me, but yeah, today is Monday and the time is 10:41 a.m. and I'm about to head out right now. I have a couple of things to do today, so this vlog is just going to be like a weekly vlog, like everything that's going to happen throughout the week. First of all, I have to go to school. I'm done with school, by the way, like for the semester I'm done, but I want to go to school to go and check something first of all. Then I have to go to the hospital because I have a checkup. So I'm going to the hospital for a checkup, and then after that I'm just going to go to the cafe because I have a ton of videos to edit. Like when I say a lot, it's a lot. Please don't look at my watch, it's not working. But yeah, I have a lot of videos to edit. Videos from February. Yes, so I'm thinking of doing that today, and I know that if I stay at home I'm not going to do anything because it's been 1 week since I finished school, and I said after I finish I'm going to edit my YouTube video. I'm going to focus. I have literally just been, you know, all I've been doing since I finished school: sleep, eat, wake up, watch movie. Now, wow, anyway, I deserve it because this semester was a lot. Oh, today is June 7th, if you were wondering, in case you're wondering. Today is June 7th. And yeah, I'm just going to try and edit like as many videos as I can. I just wanted to check up on you guys, let you guys know how it's going. I'm just going to pack my stuff now. I'm just going to pack my camera, my laptop, and my charger and everything that I need. Let me see. Guys, I want to see if my laptop will be able to fit in my bag. Guys, hopefully it fits. Nah, I don't think it's going to fit. My laptop is nope. So now I have to get another bag. I found a bigger bag.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down.
This is so nice.
Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy.
Hi guys, good morning. I don't have my mic plugged in. So today is Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday because I just stayed at home throughout. I wasn't really feeling the best. I don't know, yesterday was just not my day. I just stayed home. I was literally just in bed. I tried editing. I didn't finish. I wasn't really editing, to be honest. I was just like really sad yesterday. I'm actually still sad because I don't know what to do about this situation, right? So you guys probably already know by now. I have probably announced it. I'm not sure if I have yet, but I'm starting my business, right? So I'm starting my business, and this business when I tell you that this business has made me have sleepless nights, it has made me overthink a lot of things. It has made me spend so much money. Let's not even talk about it, okay? But all my stuff that I ordered has been shipped, right? After paying a huge amount, it has been shipped. It was supposed to get to me this week because I'm going to Nigeria next week. I'm going on the 16th, right? And then I talked to my shipping agent and everything. She tells me, oh, I'm going to receive it this week. Today is 9th, right? And today is Wednesday. So I'm thinking, oh, latest by Friday, I'll receive it. Tell me why I just tracked the package. And they're telling me that it is going to come on the 16th in the evening. I'm supposed to be leaving this place on the 16th in the morning. Why? Like, I have literally gone through a lot with this. It's been a lot. And this one, like, when I just saw it, I was just like, I honestly didn't know what to do. So, like, it just ruined my whole mood yesterday. I really wanted to take these things to Nigeria because I'm supposed to launch July 1st. And I really wanted to take these things along with me as I'm going. So I have no idea what I'm going to do right now. I probably have to tell somebody to please bring it like to Nigeria as they're coming with me, because there's no way that I can change my ticket or anything. This is just a lot. I don't know. The only thing I have to do right now is just to pray that, okay, maybe it gets to me earlier, like before 16th, but I don't know how possible that is. Oh yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, I don't know if I'm going to vlog today. I was even supposed to go out like later in the day, but I doubt I will because I'm really just not in the mood. So yeah, I'm just going to stay home. Oh, hi. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Thursday, June 10th, and I'm actually in a better mood than I was yesterday, thank God. Yeah, so about my package, I just spoke with somebody on the phone, and hopefully I should have it in Abuja before my launch date. So one of my friends is coming from here. She's going to Abuja from here, like on the 20th. So I called her to see if she could help me bring it to Abuja when she's coming. Hopefully it works out because my things are quite a lot, but fingers crossed I'm going to receive them. Oh yeah, thank God I'm in a better mood today. I finished editing my video yesterday, so I have a vlog up right now on my channel. I uploaded it, but it's going to go up anyway this evening. So yeah, by 8 p.m. it should be up on my channel. It's a new vlog. It's UkraineLiving 2. I want to see if I can edit. I have like 2 other vlogs pending before this vlog. Yeah, so I have like, yeah, I wrote them here. I have like, I could actually make all of them into one, but I don't want like the vlog to be too long, so I'm going to split it into 2 different vlogs. Yeah, so basically that is what is going on. I also have to pack. Sha. I haven't started packing. I'm supposed to be leaving on Wednesday. Is it even Wednesday? When is it? Yes, I'm supposed to be leaving on Wednesday, and today is Thursday. Like, I'm meant to be leaving next week Wednesday. Anyway, I'll start packing from tomorrow probably. But yeah, I'm about to start my day, so as you guys can tell, I am super excited. Guess what? My package that I've been expecting is... it's here! Guys, my package is finally here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Today is 16th, Wednesday. Yes, I know I told you guys that I was supposed to be traveling today, but my flight was shifted. So my flight was shifted to tomorrow. Guys, like, I just know that it's God. To be honest, I know that it is God that made all of this happen, because I was so bothered, and then God just said, let me just shift your flight so that you can receive your package. So I'll rest. I just got a call from FedEx saying that it's going to be delivered to me in about 30 minutes. So I'm waiting. Oh, they're calling me. FedEx man. Okay. Guys, he just called me and he's downstairs. I'm so happy. Let me go. God, let me go and eat something.
We're back live, ready to, continue the conversation this Good Friday on the family talk with the techers. I almost ate my tongue.
Why?
I don't know.
We're about to tell a lie that women gossip.
No, that's not the thing.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of